Hello everyone, this is Meng Qian. So today I'm going to talk about the question 2 for homework 5. So given fxy equals to 1 over a times y squared times x, and y is larger than 1, and x is larger than 1 over y and smaller than y. So the first question is draw the non-zero definition region of fxy. So from as we know that x is larger than 1 over y, so this is a line for 1 over y, and non and for the rational region it should be this one. And for as x is smaller than y, so we draw the x equals to y line, and the rational region is the above one, the left one. So the left one and the previous right one is above one. So the above region is a non-zero definition region. And second question, find A so that fxy is a valid joint density function. So we use integral to calculate the fxy. So from x is equals to y 1 over y to y. So the summation of the a times y squared times x 1 over a times y squared times x and dx, and for this one and times dy, this is y's region. It's from 1 to infinity. So from this equation we first take out for dx, we first take out 1 over a times y squared. So for the x1 from 1 over y to y, we can easily calculate it as ln y minus ln y over 1 over y. And for this equation, we know that negative ln y equals to ln 1 over y. So this is equals to ln y minus negative ln y. So it is 2 ln y. So for this equation, we can calculate it to be 2 over a times a, and this equals to 1. So we can calculate it a equals to 2. Then for the third question, find and draw the marginal density functions fx and fy. So fx is negative infinity to the infinity times fxy times dy. So it separates into two regions. The first one is 0 to 1, and the second one is larger than 1. So the first one is 1 over x to the infinity of the 1 over 2 times y squared times x dy. So this equation is equals to 1 over 2. And for the x larger than 1 is the summation of x to the infinity times 1 for the 1 over 2 times y squared times x and times dy. So this is equals to 1 over 2 times x squared. So we took those together and draw the diagram is at first smaller than 1 is equals to 1/2, and then goes to the 1/2 x squares graph. So for Fy is also use the same method from the x is larger than 1/y and smaller than y. So we took them into it is equals to ln y over y squared. So we draw this graph is like this. So for the last one, verify fx and fy. So we just calculate the integral of both of them. So the first one is 1/2 the summation from 0 to 1 of the 1/2 times dx, and plus 1 to the infinity times 1/2 x squared dx. So the above one is the calculation is 1, and for fy, the integral of fy it's also have the same solution, same number of 1. So this is a solution for the second question.